Good morning, guys. Welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center channel. We have a Hyundai i20. Bumper is broken. Fog lamp is missing. We have the plug is missing as well. So we have to get a new plug and bumper. The reason of my video today, can we replace the bumper while I'm waiting for the car in the garage? Yes, of course. This is the reason I'm making the video. So basically the customer in the office waiting for the car just to get the bumper replaced. Is that easy? Yes, of course it is easy. All what you have to do, you buy the bumper, you paint the bumper, and then you call the client come down, he wait, having a coffee, and the car will be done within half an hour to 45 minutes. Here is the bumper painted. Bumper being completed. It's been installed on the car while the customer waiting in the office having a coffee. As I mentioned from the beginning, it's just half an hour, 45 minutes to replace your bumper while you're waiting for it. We had a little scratch on the wing as well. It's been polished. Everything working fine. As I mentioned from the beginning, this is only half an hour, 45-minute job. So yes, you can replace your bumper while you're waiting for it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, guys.